Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Yes, oh my goodness, it's day 4. I cannot believe I made it to 4 days for like consistent vlogging. And I know I pre-filmed like 2 videos, but still, like, I am so proud of myself of doing this Vlogmas, and there's gonna be more. Okay, I promise that I will be vlogging every single day for the rest of until 25th of Christmas, of course. But yes, maybe more than that if I'm gonna push myself. But anyways, today is Vlogmas day 4, and I will be cleaning house today. I will be cleaning the house. I will be washing clothes, so it's more likely like a lot of house cleaning to do. Also I have to clean the bathroom here, and I have to clean my studio where I normally film. I know it looks so gross right now. It's really messy. Just don't mind it. So anyways, I have to make some coffee real quick and eat real quick because I'm starving. Okay, I am starving. I just got done with my skincare. Some of the skincare that I use, I can't really say yet because it's a secret and I've been using it. But anyways, like I said, I just got done with my skincare, and I also put this mighty patches on all over where I had like the pimples. So anyways, I'm about to put that downstairs in the basement so I can wash the clothes. That's like a big pile of like dirty clothes, and also sheets. Every 5 to a week, pushing to a week, we normally change our bed sheet. Everything I have to like clean it and sanitize it, and also I put like Lysol spray before even putting the bed sheet and everything. I have to do that, and I have to make sure that my scrubs are good for tonight so I can like iron them a little bit. So anyways, let me just finish sanitizing the bed. I'm finally done, and I still have to wash the, how do you call this, the pillowcases, because I thought I have a backup like the satin ones, but for some reason they're dirty as well. So I have to go downstairs now and wash them. And I also light up some candles, so all of like my fragrances there, some of my jewelries and my lotion are there as well. So this is like my side, and the other side is my husband's side. I'm going to the grocery store, which is BJ's and Harry's Theater, which is like, I don't know, do you guys have Harry's Theater where you live? Because I feel like Harry's Theater is like the next Trader Joe's. I wish. But anyways, I'm going there to get some food, and before that I gotta stop by at my friend's Mary's house. She's leaving. I don't know if you saw her in one of my vlogs, but I think it was earlier last year. She went to Amsterdam and she's going back there, you know, to study, and I just have to see her before she leave again to Amsterdam, because I don't know how many years she's gonna go there, and you know, but yeah, before she leave I'm gonna go there because I will be working on the days that she's gonna like leave. So I just have to stop by and say bye to her before I leave. I mean before she leave. Here at BJ's, I'm going straight to get water first, and I got a coupon book here. Getting some salad. I'm at Harry's Theater now. The things that I got from BJ's are just 2 how do you call this, water and just a big salad, and the rest of the groceries I will be getting here in Harry's Theater. So let me just put my mask on so I can start grocery shopping. Get some tomato, corn, long green beans, and a cabbage. Checking out. So I just got home and I have to do the laundry again. This is the second load. I always use this. This is like, I don't know, amazing. It smells pretty good. So what I normally do is put at least 1 cup of these pebbles, and then just put it all over here in the washer. Hold on. Like all over in the washer. And then I can also still put just a tiny bit of fabric softener, but yeah, this smells amazing. I know they're kind of a little bit expensive, but they're amazing. So I'll just put like at least 1 cup since I'm doing the whites now, just like this, and I'll just put right there. All right, so I just put the whites in, and the dryer, this is the colored ones earlier, and this is the whites now. So I'm gonna cook the pork sinigang now, and I cannot wait because I also have to cook some rice because I don't have rice anymore. And if you're Filipino, you know what I mean. I mean, rice is life. You can never eat food without rice. That's just me. But anyways, I'm gonna start cooking now because it's already 7. I feel like it's 7 o'clock already. Well, it's 6:56, but it's almost 7 o'clock. And after I cook, I still have to take a bath. And my hairstylist told me that not to wash my hair for at least a week because it's full with keratin, I think, and she deep conditioned my hair, so it's like full of, you know, good stuff. And yeah, so I'm not gonna wash my hair for at least 5 to 7 days. I mean, it still pretty looks fresh, and it's, my hair smells really good, you guys. If you guys can just like smell my hair right now, it smells amazing. But anyways, let me just cook. I'm cooking now. I have onions, green onions, tomato, I have the napa cabbage, green beans, jalapeno, and of course the pork. I chopped them into like cubes, and I have the tamarind mixture here. Also got my rice cooker here. I'm cooking white rice as well. So I'm gonna let this simmer for I would say like 10 to 15 more minutes. The pork is already there, tomatoes, there's the beans and the jalapenos. I kind of like it spicy. And then I'll put the green pepper and lettuce, I mean not lettuce, the cabbage, napa cabbage, once it's almost done, because I don't want the napa cabbage to overcook. So I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I'll put the tamarind soup after. It's finally done. Oh my god, if you guys can just smell this through the screen. I already meal prepped my food, so I'm gonna have the sinigang, pork sinigang for lunch tomorrow, and I have my bagel, my bagel plus eggs and avocados, and plus the everything bagels seasoning from Trader Joe's. That's gonna be my breakfast for tomorrow. I'm so excited. I have my meal prep already, so I try to plan my meal for 4 days straight. So I don't have to keep cooking every day. So yes, that will be my food for 4 days. And then if the pork sinigang is done, because I normally eat like, it's not too much, and my husband just ate the sinigang as well, so I might just cook another food, maybe like some chicken breast. I might bake some chicken breast. So yeah, that's what I normally do on like if I'm working 4 days straight. I'm also gonna just end the vlog here just because I have to shower and I have to fold the clothes, and it's already like late. It's already like almost 10 o'clock, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. But yes, other than that, if you made it through, you guys, I thank you so much for sticking with me and watching the whole entire video, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. And I have something for you guys on the 25th, just when the video is, you know, like the Vlogmas is done. I have something special for you guys if you are sticking with this whole Vlogmas. I have something special, so just stay tuned for that. But anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Vlogmas, bye.